Hello, welcome back guys to Spotter channel here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to manage accounts in Terabox on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly, just go ahead to this Terabox options. And now in this Terabox page, we'll find out here the three slice icon at the top left. And now you just have to tap on this switch account option here. And this is serve 3 accounts in this Terabox application on my phone, guys. If you want to manage it, you just have to simply tap on this edit option at the top right. Now, simply you just have to choose the account that you still want to use or the account that you want to delete it from this device. For example, I'm gonna clear it. I'm gonna delete this account. Tap on this minus icon. Now tap on delete. And yeah, on my phone is already have 2 Terabox account. And I'm gonna delete it again for my another account. Tap on this delete. And if you're done, just simply tap on this done button. And yeah, as you can see on my phone, on my device, is only 1 Terabox account right now. So yeah, I think it's enough guys from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below. And I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.